FeiyuTech SCORP 3 Gimbal. Honest review. AI tracking that replaces your entire crew. You set up your shot, hit record, walked into frame, and your footage looked like it was filmed during an earthquake. 45 minutes in the cold for one unusable take. Just one. Type guilty if that shoot still haunts you. There is a specific kind of pain that comes from owning a professional camera and producing shaky amateur results. You already know exactly what I mean. That suffocating moment when you watch back hours of unusable footage and realize the entire day is gone is not a skill problem. It is a tool problem. And here is the quiet part most gear channels never say out loud. What if control was actually simple and you were simply using the wrong system this whole time? Keep watching. What comes next changes everything permanently. Then I put on the FeiyuTech SCORP 3 camera gimbal stabilizer and everything got unbelievably quiet. 6 things immediately rewired how I shoot. First, the 10th generation stabilization system absorbed every step and micro jitter like physics simply stopped applying to me. Second, built-in AI tracking 4.0 locked onto my face from 59 feet with a 0.003 second response time. No app, no phone, no accessories required. Third, the 3.5 kilogram payload swallowed my full-frame DSLR and heavy zoom lens without hesitation, a claim no competitor at this price honestly matches. Fourth, the detachable control handle became a wireless remote joystick from 39 feet away, giving me angles that previously required a second operator on payroll. Fifth, native vertical shooting switched on instantly, and my reel stopped looking cropped and desperate. Sixth, 14 hours of continuous battery life meant I filmed an entire outdoor event and drove home with charge remaining. It was 2:47 a.m., client deadline approaching, final tracking shot unfinished, and I was completely done. Until the AI locked on and followed me through darkness like a cinematographer who never sleeps. Smooth footage hits you in your chest before playback even finishes loading. Nobody talks about the A and B button movement programming. That hidden feature alone will quietly rescue your next shoot. Let me stack this so high that doubt dies of embarrassment right here. Hours saved because the quick lock design and OLED touchscreen balancing guide eliminate wasted prep time before every shoot. Clarity gained the moment AI Tracking 4.0 keeps your subject perfectly framed without a single human assistant. Performance doubled when 10th generation stabilization transforms chaotic handheld movement into footage that genuinely shuts client rooms up cold. Digital Camera World, after reviewing 26 gimbals professionally, wrote, "The AI tracking performed skilled pans and tilts, following every move naturally and organically, exactly like a skilled camera operator who works for free and never needs a coffee break." Cinema influencer Your Filmmaker stated on camera that DJI and Zhiyun should be genuinely worried, naming the FeiyuTech SCORP 3 the best value for money AI gimbal of 2025. Manuals.plus analysts independently confirmed 59 feet of tracking range with 15% wider field coverage, requiring zero app dependency. Verified creator at Vlogger2025 said the AI tracking completely changed solo shooting, walking and talking while the camera followed automatically. I personally watched this unfold live on a crowded street, handle in hand, camera 30 feet away, subject locked perfectly without one physical touch. Which benefit hit hardest? Comment 1 for AI tracking, 2 for battery life, 3 for payload capacity. The number one objection I hear is that gimbals are too complicated for fast, real-world shooting. The SCORP 3 has quick lock axes, a visual balancing guide built into the touchscreen, and color-coded index marks that make your second setup genuinely laughable compared to your first. People actually laugh out loud. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Drop your camera model in the comments below. The FeiyuTech SCORP 3 camera gimbal stabilizer does one thing with absolute repeatable consistency. It makes your footage look like you had a professional crew standing beside you when you were completely, quietly alone the entire time. Join the ones who already upgraded their workflow and stopped apologizing for shaky clips in the edit. First link in the description, I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. You already know what cinematic footage feels like. Go make yours.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.